All right, everybody, I'm going to address this little bug that we've been having with the installation process of Denise Legacy. Now, I ran into this problem and I found out later that I was not alone. Several other people ran into the same issue. Now, when you're installing the program and you come to this point where it says installing Visual C++ 2005 redistributable. Now, if it hangs on this right here, that's the problem we're talking about. There's a lot of people that can't get past that right there. So what I did was I right clicked on the taskbar. I went to task manager. I closed the installation that was running. So that basically means this screen will go away. This is just a screenshot. This screen will go away and it'll basically turn off the installation. Now, what I did then was I just launched the program per normal. Let's see here. So I went into my Denise folder and I named it Denise Legacy, went there, and nextos.exe. It was there. I launched it. Now, when I launched it, it'll do the initial setup like, can you hear me? What's your birthday? Are you a man or a woman? Now, in my situation, when that happened, I couldn't hear Denise. I got an error saying that the Samantha voice was not installed and couldn't find it, whatever. That's the default Denise voice. So of course I couldn't hear her. So when she asked me if I could hear her, I said yes, and obviously I couldn't. So I just went through the process, said I can hear you, gave my birthday, all that stuff. So when Denise finally launched, I went here to settings, and I just changed the voice from Samantha to a different one. So if I click on Samantha and test it, notice that she doesn't do anything because I don't have the Samantha voice. I think I have the Samantha voice in my old version. I'll have to just copy the DLL files or whatever. It doesn't matter. But I'm using Sarah Proc Megan, and when I use it...
Testing the volume and speed of my speech.
So yeah, that was one problem I had, was I couldn't hear her because I didn't have Samantha. Now, we'll come up with a permanent fix later. This was just like a workaround. Then, on top of that, my speech recognition would not work. So, in order to fix that problem, you're going to have to go into your Denise folder. You're going to go into install. I'm sorry, not install. You're going to go to modules. Then you're going to go to dictation. And then install. So, Denise folder, modules, dictation, install. So here you're going to select dragonremover.exe. You're going to click that. It's going to remove Dragon for you, right? Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to, let's see, Denise folder, modules, updater, bin, win32, and then click up.exe, and it's going to update. Then it's going to give you the option of finally installing Dragon Naturally Speaking. So that's a way to fix that. If you have any other problems, I mean, this was just the way it was with me. If you have any other problems, just write us in the NextOS Facebook group, and we'll see if we can help you out. All right? Thanks. Hope this helped.